Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to set up recurring payments on PayPal. Let's get started. First, log into your PayPal account using your credentials. If this is your first time using PayPal, click sign up now to create an account. You will have two options, personal account or business account. I recommend choosing the business account as it provides more features for managing recurring payments. Once you are logged in, go to your wallet section. You will see an option for recurring payments. This is where all your active subscriptions will appear, such as Disney Plus, Netflix, Amazon, and many more. Next, click on Payment Preferences. These settings allow you to manage how payments are made online and help you check out even faster by setting up recurring payments. You can easily pay for goods and services, shop online, or even send money to friends and family without having to manually approve each transaction. Once your recurring payment method is set up, all of your subscriptions will be visible under the wallet section. You can manage them, cancel them, or update your preference whenever needed. And that's it. That's how you set up recurring payments on PayPal. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.